Stand easy, chaps. Now then, you gentlemen have been hand-picked for this one. You are, as they tell me, good eggs. Gentlemen, let me tell you a story. When I was a child, I had a friend called Willie. Now, if I had to tell you one fact about Willie, it's that he was absolutely useless at cricket. Couldn't get the hang of the rules. Something not quite right about a fellow who can't bat straight. Isn't that right, Pelmet?
Yes, sir.
Now, gentlemen, I haven't been entirely honest with you. Little Willie's full name was, in fact, Wilhelm. Yes, that's right, he was a German. Now, little Willie and all his little friends have grown up now, but they still don't play cricket. Are there any questions?
I have a question, sir.
Velcro? Go ahead, Jonty.
Well, what's the mission, sir?
Mission? The mission is we'll get out there, we'll knock 'em for six. We're going to teach these Nazis a little bit of sportsmanship. Show 'em what's what?
But, sir, what's the plan, sir?
Velcro? Jonty, is it you?
Well, I never. It's,
Cuthbertson, sir.
Cuthbertson, Snotty Cuthbertson. How long's it been?
30 years, sir.
30 years, well, I never.
Yes. That last mission, sir. Done well for yourself, have you, sir? I didn't even think you'd made it out, sir.
Well, that's
How?
that's a long story.
30 seconds to drop sight, 30 seconds. When we land, we'll be meeting up with an American Johnny, OSS. Master of Disguise, or so they tell me. He'll show us where to get started. Then it'll be up to us to give these Nazis the biggest bloody nose they've had since Dunkirk.
I say, sir, didn't we lose that one?
Lose? Are you a Jedi? We'll not talk about losing, old boy, not on my plane. That's it, gentlemen. Tally-ho, race to the bottom. Last one down to Rotten Tomato. Go! Come on, chaps.
Yes, it was rather unfortunate.
Bad luck is what it was, sir.
He forgot to clip on his parachute.
To be honest, I never really quite worked that out, sir. I mean, he forgot to clip on, we know that. But a chap can always just pull the ripcord once he realises.
Yes, well, it just wasn't his day.
That's true, sir. As I recall, things went downhill from there.
Are you sure this is a rendezvous, sir?
Well, of course it is, man. Look! Lost it. With a special call.
Why would there be a duck here, sir?
Look, just do it. This is a war.
Well, I'm awfully sorry, but we appear to have lost our duck.
Run! Run! English! Fighting! Fighting! Fine dogs. Well, some mistakes were made, Cuthbertson. It was a war. We did our best, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, sir.
Well, at least none of us copped it as bad as that blasted American. What was his name?
Porter, Capitan Porter.
That's it, Captain Porter.
And this is Jean-Luc Christophe Baptiste of the Resistance Française.
Hello.
Sure am glad you boys made it through.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Ah, Jean-Luc. Quite a pair, eh, Snotty?
Oh, hello.
Hello.
I say, chaps, is there time for tea? It is 11's.
Ooh, you gents gonna have to excuse me. I think I gotta take Peter Pecker to the potty.
Steinbild!
Ich kann kotzen!
Amerikanischer! 300 Meter!
Schießen! Laufen! Wasserski laufen!
Yes, a bit of a sticky spot that was.
Ah, Jean-Luc. He was such a plucky fellow. Do you know, sir, some years ago, that very incident gave me an idea.
An idea, old chap.
Yes, sir. It's taken me nearly 30 years, but I think I finally got it. You see, with the zip on his trousers it did us in, weren't it? Zip flies are just too dangerous.
Oh, come on, old boy. It was a war.
Robert, lead a team, man. What's wrong with you?
They've got him, Cuthbertson. Come on, man, let's go. This is a war. There was a war.
That's true, sir. Look here. It's a safety fastener. I'm trying to think of a name for this Velcro. I think I'm going to call it the Cuthbertson Safety Fastener. It's got wonderful adhesive properties and it holds tight. Porter would have had this on his trousers instead of that zip. Things might have turned out quite different.
Oh, things weren't that bad, old chap. Damn handy he had that Jeep, eh?
So it's damn handy Porter had this Jeep, isn't it? Step on it, Velcro. We're losing him.
Do you know, I think we have lost. Now we're here, let's make the best of it. Any more of that cake?
Do you know what, sir? I think there is. That'll be just a ticket. I say. Isn't that Jean-Luc? He's running towards that bridge like a maniac. Ah, Jean-Luc. Such a plucky fellow. Full of spunk, that boy. He's a plucky little fella, isn't he? Let's go.
Do you mind if I take a look at that, old chap?
Of course, Velcro. To be honest, I've been a bit down on my luck for a while now. But I plan on starting my own company, Cuthbertson Fasteners.
Ingenious. A safety fastener.
Do be careful with that, sir. It's the only prototype.
Indeed.
Jean-Luc! 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 Oh, I say, Jean-Luc, you made it.
I've been attaching the bombs under the bridge. Last one.
Look at him go.
I say, old chap, why don't you go and give him a hand there?
Righto, sir. Wait, the Germans! They spotted us!
Germans, you say?
Jean-Luc! 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 Oh, Jean-Luc. Blimey. Velcro! German! They're calling us! Alpha! How could we have had such a run of bad luck in one mission, sir?
It was a war.
I just truly can't fathom it, sir.
Well, it's been good to see you.
It's good that we got out of the way, sir.
Right, chaps, this way.
Boston, do the special call.
And I really must be going.
I guess we were the lucky ones.
And long may it continue.
Thanks, old boy.
Maybe some good will come of this after all.
Do keep in touch now, won't you? Any more of that cake?
That'd be just a ticket. I say.
Germans, you say?
Velcro! Germans! They're calling us! Alpha!
Keep in touch now, won't you?
But I don't have your telephone number, sir.
Right then.
But I don't have your address.